In this video, I will be showing you how to create phone mockups in Canva. Let's get started. First, I click on the Custom Size button on the home screen and set my dimensions to 8.5 by 11 inches. Once my blank canvas opens, I head over to the Elements tab in the left sidebar and search for the word Mockups. I'll scroll down through the Browse categories to find the Smartphone section and click See All to view all the available frames. I'll start by clicking on a simple smartphone frame to add it to my page. To give myself more variety, I'll select several other styles, including mock-ups with different angles and orientations. I'm adding a second and third page to my project now to give myself plenty of space to organize more variations. I'll continue browsing through the library and adding various frames, like these mock-ups that feature a hand holding the phone and others with sleek three-dimensional perspectives. I'll move these around and resize them until I have a clean layout across all of my pages. Once my frames are positioned, I'll search for phone wallpaper in the Elements tab to find some backgrounds. I'll scroll through the results and pick out a few favorites, starting with this vibrant red nebula design. To apply it, I simply drag the image directly over the smartphone frame and it snaps perfectly into place. I'll repeat this process with other designs, like these pink bow patterns and floral backgrounds, dragging them into different frames to see how they look. I'll also try out some softer images, like these purple clouds and a beautiful sunset scene. I can easily swap these backgrounds by dragging a new image over an existing one. After reviewing my mockups and making sure everything looks great, I'll head to the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I'll keep the suggested file type and click the Final Download button to save all of my finished designs.